Android Auto Connect. The 9-inch wireless display audio installed in your car is Android Auto enabled. It is quick and easy in one-time linking with your Android phone. Begin with enabling of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile hotspot on your mobile phone. Activate the Android Auto icon on the head unit. Pairing option pops up. Click on Yes. Activate the Add Device option. Once the phone is visible in the connected Bluetooth devices, select the phone name and click the pairing option. OK the access on the phone too. On the head unit, the connection button blinks for a moment. Starting Android Auto, message pops up on screen. On the phone, allow all contacts access. That's it, your phone can now be kept aside. As the Android Auto function is fully activated, scroll through the provided Android apps on your head unit and enjoy, which means navigate or enjoy music on YouTube Music, Spotify, with wireless connectivity with your mobile device.